Good morning, everybody. This is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's April 27th, 2009, and markets are gapping down this morning on some concerns about the swine flu, and also Chrysler reaches a labor deal in fight for survival. GM's going to cut 21,000 factory jobs. The list goes on and on. There's not a lot of economic news today, but in the next few days there will be quite a lot. As you watched my weekend video, you will notice that. So again, a lot for the markets to digest here. And right now, if you zoom in here, it could be anything. Format symbol here. I'll just put this on a 24-hour period. We're a little bit right before the open. So there's a S&P 500 big gap down. And that's not anything to shake a stick at. So pretty good side gap. That would be at 85.59 right now on a daily chart. 85.59, however, is right in here. So it's just off the high. You can see that we would be right in here, still within the realm of that high base. But again, just watch how the market digests news like this. This could be a big one. So throughout the rest of the day, kind of stay tuned. We're going to keep you guys up to breast on what's going on, and just all I can say is just be very, very careful here. Pre-market, especially, most people won't trade in the first 30 minutes of trading. They call it amateur half-hour, amateur hour, but really that's when most of the people do trade. It's just that if you're an amateur, it's not necessarily the best time in the world to be trading because there's so many people that do know what they're doing out there. So anyway, we'll watch these things unfold. It's 9:29. The market's just opened. You can see these darker green and darker red bars changed to lighter green and lighter red, denoting that the open has occurred. So anyway, you would see a big gap down then on anything that didn't have pre or post market data. So here you go. If we take this off, and we can watch actually what's happening in here. So here is that. We'll go back to normal. There's the gap down. So it's fairly significant. A lot of times gaps will fill on profit taking. So if you were positioned long and the stock gap down, you'd be feeling some pain, right? If you were short, however, going into the close and it gap down, then you'd be feeling pretty good and you might be wanting to take some profits. So if you take profits, you buy to cover. That buying can drive the market back up. That's the gap fill part of it. And won't stop going up until the people who are positioned who got hurt start selling, happy for less of a loss. So that's a really cool reason why gaps fill and then often retrace the direction of the original gap. So we'll have to watch how this comes back up, if it does at all. If it makes a new swing high, we'll measure that swing high compared to the previous one, and that'll give us an idea of the sentiment read for the day. So that'll be kind of fun to talk to you guys around noon, see what happened with this gap, and again, just be very, very wary, especially on a day like today, of how these gaps get filled. Very cool. Well, hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Let me know any comments in here. I'm going to be posting this on a Breakout Traders area as well. So anyway, let me know, and you guys take care.